Claire Aspinall. I'm the Group Head of Marketing at TXP. I'm responsible for brand growth, market positioning and commercial impact. TXP is a digital transformation partner. We are focused on mid-market organisations. We combine consultancy, development and resourcing, really focused on modernising organisations through technology, unlocking the power of data and AI for organisations to ease the transformation journey. PR for me, as you know, has always been like a really strategic enabler for any business that I've been in. TXP was formed as a result of 2 acquisitions. As part of that, we really needed to kind of get out to market with a clear message about who we are as a new organisation and a new brand. Really strong message that positions us in a very sort of differentiated way. As part of that as well, there's an element of the internal enablement as well around PR. You know, we needed to kind of give our people and our colleagues a kind of real focus on who we were as an organisation, what our strategic focus was, and build that sort of confidence and trust in the brand as well as externally as well. And that for us is really where PR was critical. So we launched the brand in May 2025. The PR programme began in advance of that, really to try and sort of focus us on how we get into the market with that sort of differentiated proposition, how we land that differentiated proposition in market, how we engage with the right media, and sort of building the messaging around sort of the business and the positioning as well in market. A lot of the work that we've done as part of that was sort of media engagement, media releases as sort of probably your standard kind of profile, but critical to that was very much the kind of the focusing on the messaging. And again, back to that sort of, I keep sort of saying it, but also back to that point of differentiation, telling a different story and a valuable story out into market. What we've been able to do through sort of the PR programme as well is I guess access sort of a voice in the market, or sort of, you know, push out a voice in the market where we probably wouldn't have been able to cut through with your sort of traditional marketing methods. But actually with the PR, that really nicely dovetails with everything else. So the content, the tone of voice, the positioning really dovetails with everything else that we do in marketing. That has led, from an impact perspective, both from a sort of thought leadership and visibility perspective, but also lead generation. You know, it's absolutely impacted the commercial bottom line for us. PR stories, news stories, engagements in the market from a PR perspective have led directly through to lead generation, engagement on our website, engagement with our content, which has absolutely, you know, impacted, revenue generation pipeline.